Éxito. Okay guys, I'm making a quick video here guys. I'm at an intersection here in Colombia, and yeah, you know, I think my one of my previous videos is me kind of doing a talkover, voiceover I should say, and yeah, something different, but I've come back to the old tube, man. I'm just doing a bit of recording in the streets of Bogota at the moment. And yeah, guys, I mean, I've been here about 3 weeks now, and I feel I've got a better understanding of the area and the level of danger, which is, I would say, much lower than I thought it was when I first came here. But it's one of the things you don't know. You just hear the stories, and you don't actually know what's going on, you know. So yeah, I mean guys, it's all pretty good. The weather at the moment in Bogota, as you can see from the clouds, maybe the mountains in the distance isn't that great, but yeah, I thought I'd do a recording for you guys. I've come out of the area of Chapinero, and you know, I've come and visited this little area, which is near one of the big stadiums here and one of the big dual carriageways. Sorry, I'm going to throw up the details. I'll do a edit afterwards. I'll throw up the details for you guys. So if you're interested in coming here at the moment in Bogota, which is pretty safe, you know. I mean, look, at the moment there's hundreds of people passing me at the moment as I'm making this video, and no one stopped to pull out a weapon or anything to try and take my phone. So that's what the crime spike is at the moment, which is a little bit understandable, because, you know, when people are desperate, even me and you guys in the West, you know, we do anything to feed ourselves and our families, so it's understandable. But of course that doesn't help you as you're being robbed. So anyway, it's just a little thought here. Wait for this ambulance to pass by here. Yeah, so guys, it's a bit of a street walk video. You know me, I always like to do a bit of commentary, if I'm not kind of doing some interactions. I'll be honest with you guys, my Spanish isn't 5-star or even 4 or 3-star, you know, it's still pretty basic. I can function, I can get around, and kind of, you know, do the basics of ordering food and having a place to live, but apart from that, there's nothing else. There's not much else, you know, complicated levels of conversation and stuff. It's going to be a bit of a challenge, but, you know, I'll still try and give it a go, you know. So guys, yeah, things are good at the moment, and as I said in my previous video, I'm going to be making another video. It's going to be in Cali, so you know, that's going to be a great thing, because I am due a little bit of sunshine, and to make it feel a bit of a vacation and a holiday, you know, because Bogota is really quite similar climate wise, as my fellow Londoners and Brits will know. Look at these skies, grey skies. So it's very, very similar temperature-wise and climate-wise, and kind of very rainy. So it's very similar to London. So, you know, I've traveled thousands of miles away, so I would like to be in a bit of a different environment, you know, to feel that it's, you know, that I am kind of traveled thousands of miles away. Oh, here's another ambulance. I'll just wait for this one to pass, guys. Maybe there's something going on, who knows. Actually, might check that out for you guys. See what's happening here. But you know, the main thing is the protests are over here. I'm actually near one of the university campuses. That's where I am. But I'll still throw up some information to tell you guys what's going on. And what I do recommend when you're walking these streets here, I mean, it's more car friendly than pedestrian friendly, and more cyclist friendly, as you can see. But it's still pretty good. But I do recommend you guys grab yourselves a bottle of agua, water, and just walk the streets here. It's pretty safe, you know. I mean, there's old people walking about, and there's guys with their mobiles out and stuff. So yeah, from my experience, I'm gauging the level of risk and danger, and I mean, it seems pretty low to medium. But you know, you always got to be cautious. Yeah, the protests are way over here. You know, they've been over for a few months now, but there was still a level of kind of unrest, that I should say, a level of unrest, but that seems to be subsided now. So guys, I'm going to end my talking part here, and then I'm going to be adding some more just walking and showing you the scenery. Alright guys, so this is Tubeman 777 in a new style of video, and I'll see you guys later. Signing out. No sé.